Hello, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So I'm gonna do another what am I reading, and right now I'm having a good month. It is sort of 15 and I have literally read 5 books already. That's the most in a long time. And I am currently reading 2 books right now, which are completely 2 different books, but pretty much that's what I'm doing. So anyway, the first book that I am halfway in is Bad Men and Wicked Women by Eric Jerome Dickey. And this book is so far entertaining. This is what I call like somebody giving you a bad joke, but you can't help but laugh. That's how I feel about some of the dialogue in this book. I am not sure how far the story's gonna reach for. It's interesting. That's all I'm gonna say. It's an interesting read. Definitely gonna review this week. Plan on finishing it sometime today. I would say it's fast paced. It's very fast paced. Once I sit down and start reading it, I go through it. The page is pretty fast. So I'm definitely gonna attempt to finish it tonight and do a review because this book comes out on the 17th. So yeah. The next book I picked up in February, and I think I read like 1 chapter and I was just not in the mood for this book. And it's a hype book, but I picked it up, and so that is The American Marriage by Tara Hari Jones, and it's a love triangle, guys. That is pretty much the best way I could sum this up. A love triangle with an unfortunate circumstance that created the love triangle, but I'm Team Roy. That's all I could say. And I'm hoping this book doesn't piss me off at the end. But I'm Team Roy. Yeah. So that is all I'm reading right now. And yeah, that's it. What are you guys reading? How is your month going? And all that good stuff. Go ahead and leave me a comment. If you read these books so far, especially American Marriage, because I know it's a really popular one. Don't spoil it for me, but tell me if you liked it. Yeah, that would be good. So anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.